What's cracking, y'all? Another video today. We're going to be installing the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub. So this is nice for me because I only have one garage clicker, and as you guys might know, I like multiple cars, and so I don't have other clickers, and I can certainly get some, but I want to try to keep things integrated. It'd be nice to just use my app on the phone and go ahead and open and close the garage doors when I need it, especially if I'm not using the family car, which is the only clicker or remote click device that I have. Alright, so today we're going to walk through a quick install of this device. It's a few steps, not too bad. From what I understand, you're just connecting to the network first, securing it, then there's a hub which these two devices communicate with, and this helps the door open along with the warning that the door is open. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, you need to check for the green light once you connect to the network. That's going to confirm that you successfully connected to your network. You'll also see the device show up in your list in the app, and you just need to confirm, select, and kind of walk through the steps. The other thing that you need to be mindful of is when you go through the steps of pairing it to the garage motor, you only need to press that learn button once. I repeat, just press it once, like a doorbell, right? And you don't want to hold it down. If you do that, it's going to erase the memory stored for your existing clickers. So make sure you only do that once. Alright, y'all. So I was able to successfully mount, pair, and get the hub to recognize the Wi-Fi. So that's really good. And yeah, now it's time to load up the drill with a 532-bit, which will help me drill the pilot holes for the mounting bracket. I still need to think about where I want to place this hub, because my thought is, well, where I got it right now works fine. It's just not kind of, it's in the way, right? So got to find a good place in the garage. The Chamberlain sort of website talks about using the same area as your garage motor. And for me, that's on the ceiling. And I don't mind that idea, but I guess I worry a little bit, what if this thing falls? But if I install it fine, that's not going to be an issue. So let's definitely get started on getting loaded up here to mount. And I think I'll choose my location in a few minutes here and see where we end up putting this thing. All right? All right, so I ended up mounting the hub across from the garage door. There's a convenient location right within an outlet, 6 feet up above the ground and all that. And looked pretty good. And I got to say, the hardware included with this Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Opener was really top notch. Nice metal bracket, wall mount screws, the wall mounts themselves, everything. So yeah, very easy to put together. Just a little bit of measuring and balancing, and good to go.
A few moments later.
Wow, that's annoying. Alright, everybody, so there you have it. The MyQ is installed. It was a very straightforward install, as I mentioned, and I talked through a few steps there. I think probably the biggest thing that was a bit of a concern was that beep. It's very loud, very kind of in your face, but it makes sense. It's there for safety. It's meant to alert children and small kids that may be running around when the garage door is on its way down. So I do have 2 small kids, and I would hate for them to not be informed that the garage is coming down when they're playing around here. So understood. I'd love to see if I can probably maybe modify it and turn the volume down a little bit, or maybe disable it and then enable it when I want, kind of like you do with your notifications and your apps. So it's definitely a neat feature to be able to go ahead and use my phone to open and close the garage door. As I mentioned, got a couple of cars. There'll be a few more here soon. And if we extend this a little bit, I'd love to be able to have the feature to not rely on a clicker. So anyway, there you have it. Really appreciate the feedback. Love your support. If you like what you see here, please go ahead and comment. Go ahead and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I put up a new video. I'll try to be more consistent with this, guys, please. And you know, for all the fellow dads out there, and you guys know sometimes it's just not possible, but we'll do everything we can. All right, y'all. Peace. Oh yeah, and so for those of you wondering why there's just that silly Volkswagen flag here, just understand I'm a big Volkswagen fan, obviously. Got a lot of Volkswagens, but I'm a BMW fan as well, as you guys are aware. And there will be another flag going up for that soon. You know how it goes. It's just, can't justify the knickknacks over the things I really need. So I'm still kind of getting all my tools together. Really got to work on some storage here. You know, kind of got parts and different things all over the place. So, yep, in due time, you'll see a lot more happening here. This entire garage is going to evolve. You know, just just living day by day, you know, new to home ownership and trying to make this place my own. So bear with me as things change. I hope I can gain some feedback from you all on how you guys got your garages set up. There's so many different options out there, and I don't want to get stuck with a lot of thought paralysis. So yeah, you'll stay tuned to see some new updates around some additions to the garage, a couple of other pieces of art I have that aren't actually cars, and I hope that, you know, we'll be able to evolve together through this, and you get to see some really cool things here. My goal is to make this garage a little museum of my own, you know, just a little bit of history, a little bit of new, a little bit of old, and a little bit of unobtainium and some rare stuff too while we're at it. So, you know, for all the real car guys out there and car gals, you'll know that there's always something to have, and it's very hard to say no. So anyway, all right, guys, till next time. All right, I also want to give a shout out to my brother, DJ Chaz NYC, for hooking me up with the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub. Thank you so much for that, man. If you guys are into music and just want to, you know, get to know my fellow New Yorker a little bit better, go ahead and check him out. Give him a follow. Check his YouTube page out, DJ Chaz NYC. All right. All right. Last but not least, as promised, the winner from the Hot Wheels Ultimate Drive Thru Experience free giveaway is going to be announced now, and it is Isaac Machoro. Apologize if I didn't pronounce that properly. You're going to have to email us so I can go ahead and send you the prize, smokedrubber@gmail.com. So congratulations, and stay tuned for upcoming giveaways, raffles, and much more.